Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the threaded handle anchor in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 3/32 Allen wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new threaded handle anchor. There are 6 threaded handle anchors in this refrigerator, 2 per each door handle. They are used for mounting the handles. If a door handle won't stay in place, sliding off, check the threaded handle anchor and replace it if needed. There are 6 handle anchors on this fridge, 2 for each handle. They all the same and they install the same, so I will show you how to remove and replace one on this handle. I'm going to open the door, and as you can see, there's 2 set screws in there. I'm going to use a 3/32 Allen wrench. I'm going to loosen up those 2 screws. Remember, you don't have to take them out completely, just loosen up. So I'm going to move up to the top one. I'm going to lift up the handle, and now we can remove it. Now I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take out the screw so we can remove the anchor. This is the old threaded handle anchor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so now we have a new handle anchor. I'm going to place the screw in, and using a Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to attach it to the door. So we have here a door handle, and there's 2 holes on the bottom and on the top. This hole goes over those 2 anchors, and we're going to open the door, and I'm going to tighten this set screws. I'm using the same 3/32 Allen wrench, and we're going to tighten the bottom one. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.